How to cancel DoorDash order after accepted. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can cancel a DoorDash order after being accepted. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store and search for DoorDash. If you haven't installed it, then install it from right here. If you have already, then check for updates. Now go back to your home page and navigate to the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your device. In DoorDash, you will see an interface like this. Make sure that you are logged in to your account. To register, you will need your country code and your mobile number. As this is not available for my country, I cannot log in. However, if you are facing similar issues, you can use VPN. If you want to cancel your order, then go to the section where all the orders are stored. Scroll through the orders and go to the order that you want to cancel. Tap on it and open it. Now tap on Help at the top right corner. To cancel your order, you need to select an issue. Select the appropriate issue and cancel your order. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.